Hello everyone, my name is Jigar Parekh and I'm the CET 99.99 percentiler. And for all of you who already know me, nice to see you again. So guys, I'm uploading a video after a long time and I'm pretty happy to tell you that, oh my God, I've missed you a lot. And I have loved the way that you guys have always put comments on my videos and reacted very positively. Well, today I'm here to give back a little. And so basically one very good thing for you, I'm conducting two webinars, which are going to be purely based on score boosting, because I know at this point, the problem that you're facing is you guys know your stuff a little, but your marks are stuck. You are either scoring less than 100 and 100 cross nahi ho raha hai. And even if you have crossed 100, you are stuck at least 100, 110, 120, but marks बढ़ नहीं रहे. You have reached a plateau. That's the English word for it, a plateau. So I'm here to help you how to beat that. I conducted 4 sessions for my students, my course students, and it has helped each and every one of them cross that plateau, because I've given personalized suggestions कि कैसे करना है. If you are stuck here, then how you're supposed to do it, how you're supposed to analyze it. So each and everything has been handled there. So I'm conducting 2 sessions for you guys. If you're scoring less than 100 or if you're scoring more than 100, these sessions are going to be helpful to all of you, no matter what. And the best thing about this, I am not going to charge a single rupee for it. All I ask for you is that, so I was thinking that we should all collectively help the different foundations. The country is in absolute, like the country is in a lot of problem because there is so much shortage of oxygen and every other resource that COVID patients require. I personally have lost a few people very close to me. So I know that it is very necessary, and that's why I ask help from you guys. I myself have donated a good amount, but apart from that, I want to donate a little more through you. So whatever I ask for you guys is this. If you visit my website, so this is the foundation that I want to donate to, Hemkund Foundation. They are working towards helping the farmers. They're working towards providing oxygen to people who are right now COVID struck. So that is something that's a really good cause. If you see this on my website, you'll see a new section that is CET Cares. This is whatever that I'll put up on this page, that will purely 100% go only to charity. And you can read everything that I've sent, that I've posted here. And there are 2 sessions, the 2 sessions that I just talked about, that's less than 100 and more than 100. Whatever you donate here, 100% guarantee that everything will go to the charity that is Hemkund Foundation. If you want any kind of, I'll keep 100% transparency. If you want to know where the funds went or where they have gone when they have come to me, then you can just ask me. I'll just send you the receipt of each and everything. And I just hope that we can come together and help people as much as possible. About the sessions, I'm going to help you basically analyze how to analyze your mocks. You're going to understand the way that I teach my students how to analyze, and कैसे marks per minute maintain करना है, in what section are you missing out, how do you improve that section, how do you basically take time from one section and give it to the other, how do you make these complicated decisions during the test. So basically this is going to help you with your CET strategy and your analysis of each and every mock, so that जब तुम mock दे रहे हो, you're not wasting your time, wasting your 2.5 hours and a precious mock, but you are getting the most out of those 2 hours, those 2.5 hours, and out of the 2.5 hours of analysis that I suggest each and every student. Okay. So guys, I hope that you really like what we are doing here, and I hope that you become a part of it. Also, as I said, the webinar, I forgot to mention, the webinar fees is only ₹500. So I guess I want maximum people to try to donate to the cause, because whatever you give me, that straight away 100% goes to the charity. Okay. So guys, I hope you like the decision. I hope you like the campaign, and I hope that you guys help me in as many numbers as you can. Chalo. Bye everyone.